Hello students, welcome to Eganeet. Today we are going to take the fourth problem of exercise 12.1 of chapter 12, that is areas related to circle. Okay, so let's read the problem first. The wheels of the car are of diameter 80 centimeter each. How many complete revolutions does each wheel make in 10 minutes when the car is traveling at the speed of 66 kilometers per hour? Okay, so we have been given the speed of the car as 66 km per hour. What do you mean by 66 km per hour? It means that in 60 minutes, the car is covering a distance of 66 kilometers. Okay, but we need to find the distance covered in 10 minutes. Okay, so 10 minutes will be 1/6 of 60. So we will make 1/6 of that 66 kilometer. So that will be 1/6 of 66. Is nothing but 11 kilometer, that will be equal to 11,000 meter. Okay, so in 10 minutes the car is covering a distance of 11,000 meter. Okay, now we need to find the complete revolutions, number of revolutions. Okay, so what will be the distance covered in one revolution? Yes, that will be the circumference of the wheel. So I have been given a wheel with the diameter of 80 centimeter. Okay, so we can say that the distance covered in one revolution will be equal to the circumference of the wheel. That is, circumference is nothing but the distance covered in one revolution. So the circumference of the wheel is nothing but the distance covered in one revolution, and that will be equal to pi d. Okay, so we have been given the diameter as 18 centimeter, so that will be 22/7 into 80 centimeter. Okay, so we will convert this 80 centimeter into meter, so that will be 22/7 into 0.8 meter. Okay, so the circumference of the wheel is nothing but the distance covered in one revolution. Therefore, we can say number of revolutions equal to total distance upon the distance covered in one revolution. Okay, now what is the total distance covered? That will be 11,000 meter. So this will be 11,000 divided by what is the distance covered in one revolution? That is 22/7 into 0.8. Okay, and on solving this will be 11,000 into 7 upon 22 into 0.8, or we can say this will be 11,000 into 70 upon 22 into 8. Okay, so on reducing it, and on further solving, we will get the number of revolutions as 4375. Okay, so the number of revolutions in moving 11 kilometer will be 4375. Okay, so that's the solution of the given problem. To get the solutions of other problems of this exercise, do visit our website www.eganeet.com or download our app Eganeet from Google Play Store, and keep enjoying maths. Thank you.